In problem number 3, we are going to discuss about a square prism, side of base 30 mm and height 50 mm. It is positioned on HP such that one of its edge becomes perpendicular to VP and axis becomes perpendicular to HP. तो कंडीशन ऐसा है, हॉरिजॉन्टल प्लेन के ऊपर एक स्क्वायर प्रिज्म रखा गया है। वो स्क्वायर प्रिज्म ओरिएंट किया गया है उसके एज से जो वर्टिकल प्लेन से परपेंडिकुलर हो रहा है, एंड व्हेन इट इज़ प्रोफाइल इन फ्रंट व्यू इट्स एक्सिस इज परपेंडिकुलर टू हॉरिजॉन्टल प्लेन एंड वी नीड टू ड्राफ्ट इट्स surface development. So let's start with the problem and see details regarding how to draft it. First we will draft a square below a reference. So let me draft first a reference line. Let us note that reference line as XY. Now we need to draft top view of the profile, which is square prism, and it is noted that its edge is perpendicular to vertical plane. So we can go to have formation like this. We can have formation like this. Length of this edge is 40 units and it is perpendicular to vertical plane. Vertical plane से ये reference से ये perpendicular है. Let us draft other positions also. So let me have a line. Roller scale placed over here. Roller scale क्या करेगा? It is helping us to get parallel lines. So we have got one. अब roller scale को ऐसे orient करिए and you can have 40 mm over here and 40 mm over here. So this one is the top view, and we are aware that the profile what we draft is also going to have front view, and the front view of square prism is going to look like a rectangle. तो हम यहाँ से रेक्टेंगल ड्राफ्ट करते हैं, हैविंग हाइट इक्वल टू 60 यूनिट्स. सो above reference the view which is available over here is going to be called the front view, and below reference it is going to be the top view. And notation, we can place notations like this. This point is indicating A1, this point is indicating B2, C3 and D4. Over here we are going to have 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash. Over here 3 dash, 4 dash. Over here 1 dash, 2 dash. वैसे यहाँ पे होगा A dash, B dash, यहाँ पे होगा C dash, D dash. Now if I want to draft its development, what should I do? I should draft a line which is parallel to the reference what we had drafted. We can place a line over here. अब ये जो line है वो किससे represent करेगा? It is representing 1 dash, A dash. अब वहाँ से हमें पता है कि there will be development associated with this edge and it is going to be formed like this. ऐसे आपको एक edge का length कंपास पे लेना है. This would be the edge length, and now you have to transfer it over here. अगर edge का length 40 है तो after drafting this the length what you get is going to be 4 times 40, so it is going to be 160. And if the draft goes beyond your reference, तो reference को extend करके you can have that position y plotted over here. यहाँ पे y को mention कर दीजिए और यहाँ से हमें एक और लाइन क्रिएट कर देना है over here, and you should be following the same dimension what had been indicated. You can join it from here as well from here, and after that you should be drafting vertical each vertices from the section what we had provided over here by compass. The first vertices is 1 dash A dash, second vertex is going to be 2 dash B dash, third would be 3 dash C dash, 4 would be 4 dash D dash, and this vertex is indicating 1 dash A dash again. So this one is going to be the development. And now the procedure what we carry out after this is going to be a cutting plane which is presented in a particular format, but we'll be seeing it in the upcoming video. So this one is just for explaining the position of top view and front view as well, to have the development of given surface. And you should be mentioning all dimensions in it. आपको सारे dimensions उसमें indicate करने हैं. जैसे we had taken this dimension as 60 units, and edge length which had been counted over here for a profile, square profile, is 40 units. And this one is the development of that square prism.